Hello, Namaskar. Welcome to my channel Travel with BK09. It's Gujarat Tourism Series, and today we are going to talk about top tourist place in Junagadh. Number one, Mahabat Maqbara Palace. Mahabat Maqbara and Bahauddin Maqbara are two important monuments that should not be missed when you are in Junagadh. Both located at the same compound, it is just walking distance from Junagadh railway station. The monuments have been recently renovated and is very well maintained. The cost of entry tickets is 20 for adult, 10 for children below 12 years. Locals need to pay half of the cost, and for NRIs entry fees is 100. However, phone cameras are allowed free of the cost. The speciality of this Maqbara is the ornate minars at the four corners of the Maqbara have spiral stairs externally to climb, which is unlike any other minars. Architectural style and carvings of the Maqbara reflect the fusion of Islamic and Hindu art. Finely carved arches, jalis made of marble, various decorative designs, round-shaped central dome at the top, and a small dome on the four corners of the roof add on the Maqbara. This Maqbara has a central dome surrounded by a variety of smaller domes. On the outside of the Maqbara, various carvings including flower, windows-like structure, domes, etc. can be found. This is a must-visit place in Junagadh. Number 2, Upperkot Fort. Upperkot Fort in Junagadh is a historical gem with stunning views and ancient architecture. The fort's massive walls, hidden caves, and intricate carvings make it a must-visit for history enthusiasts. A true testament to Gujarat's rich past. Upperkot has historical importance and is well maintained. It's spread huge and majestic too. Guides are people friendly. E-washroom is a great concept that I liked here. E-vehicle is available here but was not functional when I went. Kids zone, gardens and greenery are worth seeing. Number 3, Sakkarbagh Zoological Park, a zoo older than 100 years and having variety of animals and birds. Entry and parking fees are very minimal. Must visit for kids. Zoo is big and needs support. It's not only a zoo but a rehabilitation center for injured wild animals. It is also has a safari ride where you can enjoy the animals in open area. There is a small store of Gujarat government which provides authentic honey and many Ayurvedic medicine at normal rates. Zoo is plastic free zone and it's really appreciating move. Number 4, Junagadh Museum. Housed in a beautiful old palace of Junagadh, the Darbar Hall Museum is one of the best museums in Gujarat as it preserves the treasure of the ruler of Junagadh. Darbar Hall was the court for the former Nawabs of Junagadh and was converted into museum to preserve the wealth of the Junagadh Maharajas. The magnificent collection is owned by the 19th century Nawabs who were discovered here years ago. Number 5, Adi Kadi Vav. Adi Vav or Adi Kadi Vav is a east-west direction Vav which is about 35 meters deep and has 195 steps. This is one of the oldest step wells believed to be of 11th century. Is made by carving parallel rocks. The place has been recently renovated and a good place to visit. It is believed that two girls named Etichiti were sacrificed in this well. The well is located inside Upperkot and presents a unique opportunity for photography. It is best visited in the midday time for best lighting of the rocks. To visit this place, one need to buy entry ticket for Upperkot, which is 100 rupees for adult and 50 for children. Number 6, Baba Pyara Caves. Baba Pyara Caves are an example of an ancient man-made caves. The caves are a part of Junagadh Buddhist cave groups situated in the eastern part of Junagadh of the Indian state of Gujarat. Baba Pyara caves contain artworks of both Buddhism and Jainism. These caves are arranged in 3 lines. Number 7, Navghan Kuvo. This is the oldest and deepest step well in India located in Junagadh, Gujarat. Good place for photography lovers. It is 9 story deeper downstairs, so it is called Navghan Kuvo. If you step down the well, you will notice the temperature of the atmosphere has been decreased drastically. You will find good spots for photography. There are many keyholes in which you will be able to find the nest of the birds. Overall nice experience to visit this place. Number 8, Khapra Kodia Caves. The Khapra Kodia Caves are part of Junagadh Buddhist Caves group. They are the oldest caves in the group. The so-called Buddhist caves around Upperkot are not actually caves, but 3 separate sites of rooms carved out of the stone to be used as monks' quarter. Hence the name. They are all a little over 2000 years old, give or take a couple of centuries. How to get there? By road, private and state bus service are available from Junction in the state. By train, town has a railway station that is connected to major cities in Gujarat. Entry only online payment by scanning QR. No professional photography or videography allowed here. Open parking space available free. Number 9, Junagadh Fort. This is one of the ancient fort which makes it one of the historical place to visit in Junagadh. This fort is near about 2300 years old. The wall of the fort are as high as 20 meters in some part of the fort. It is said that once upon a time there was a 300 feet deep moat in the walls. This moat was once said to be habitat of the crocodiles. It was made to protect the fort. There are two major attractions in the fort. These are the two major attractions are Cairo and Neelam. These were made in Cairo and were brought Turks in India. The step as well as the caves in the fort are a must see. Number 10. Ashok Shilalik. Ashok Shilalik has engraved by the great emperor Samrat Ashok edict in Brahmalipi in the era of 3rd century BC. Now this has domain and the 14 of this the great Samrat Ashok Maurya Vansha. Clear inscriptions visible of the time of Samrat Ashok. It describes about the ban on the animal slaughter put by Samrat Ashok on his kingdom. The inscriptions is in Brahmi script in the Pali or Prakrit language. The Hindi translation is available beside the edict. Also, it's a huge rock, covers the entire room. It's also said to be growing in size with time. The rock was found at very site, the great site for the history enthusiast must visit. So guys, these were the top tourist place to visit in Junagadh. I hope you like the video. If you like it, share it and subscribe. And if you have any comments or any suggestions, write down in comment section. I would like it. Thank you. Jai Hind.